This video will show you how to set up Uline's long handle hand wrapper. To assemble, slide one of the discs over the silver pole beveled side up. Rotate the disc until the pins align with the grooves. Next, load your stretch wrap and position onto the base. Install the second disc beveled side down so it locks into the core, followed by the spring, then the handle. Press the handle down to the desired tension and secure with the included pin. To loosen the tension on the roll, release the spring with the handle and secure the pin. Once assembled, the hand wrapper is ready to use. Should you have questions, please call Uline Customer Service. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.